up, cherylnicole babes? It's your girl cherylnicole, and today we are back with another video. Guys, before we get into this video, please make sure that you are hitting that subscribe button and a notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload new content. Guys, before we get into this frontal wig install tutorial, I'm just showing you the materials and the tools you'll need to achieve this look that I'll be showing you at the end of this video. First of all, let's just get into it. We're going to go ahead and slick those edges back. You're going to want to get some edge control, jam, eco styling gel, girl, whatever you're going to need to slick those edges straight to the back, because you want a clean and sleek foundation before you install your wig cap. So right now I'm just going to use a hard brush that I have around home and just go ahead and start pushing those edges back. Guys, as you can see, I have suffered severely from edge loss, being that I had those locks in my hair. But listen, you don't have to worry about your girl getting those anymore, because there was just entirely too much tension on my edges. So say no to the locks. So after I get finished brushing, I'm just going to go ahead and start the first step, which is installing the wig cap. Guys, you want to make sure that this wig cap is flat before you start to mold it down on your head. And just make sure that you have some type of spray or glue to help you mold it down. Being that this video is budget friendly, I'm just using my Gots to Be spray. Once I spray the Gots to Be, I'm going to use my blow dryer to go ahead and mold it. As you can see right here, I'm just cutting out my ears before I decide to cut off the excess cap of the wig cap, and I'm just going to go ahead and dry again. You're going to repeat this process multiple times until you feel like your cap is secure before cutting the excess cap off. Now you can see that I'm going in and cutting the excess cap off. I'm getting kind of close to my hairline so that it can look natural when I'm trying to apply the lace tint to the ball cap method. I'm going in with my even spray and blow dryer, then the lace tint, just so that you can honestly get that ball cap method, but honestly you can use your makeup too. Now ladies, I'm just going ahead and putting this wig on my head so that I can kind of eye it and measure it up and see what I need to do from ear to ear to get this lace as flat as possible. When you're installing a lace or a frontal, you want to make sure that it is extremely flat, because you don't want your closure or your frontal to be like bulky in the front, because that's not cute. So right now I'm just making sure that my ears and everything will be comfortable when I apply this wig. I'm going to go ahead and push it back, because now it's time for the next step. You're going to go ahead and use your glue of your desired choice and use a popsicle stick or something that you have around the house to apply the glue in front of your wig cap, not on top of your wig cap, because it will cause you to make the cap harder to come off, and you can kind of, or maybe, suffer from edge loss. That's why a lot of girls be pulling out their edges, because they are applying the glue all wrong. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply thick layers of this glue, making sure that it is enough so once I do lay this wig down, you guys can see exactly how it's supposed to look and gonna look once I get ready to lay the wig down. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull the wig to the front. Now I'm just going ahead to see and kind of press it in with my fingertips to see where I need to apply more glue, because sometimes even though you apply all that glue, there's still not enough. But don't worry, because there is a method that you can use for when your lace is not completely down. So right now I'm just pulling it down from ear to ear, making sure that it's flat and straight. Once I realize that it's flat and straight, I'm just going to use my fingertips once again to press that lace down into my skin. So as you can see, I'm examining it using my blow dryer, going back in so I can dry it, make sure it's dry, make sure it's secure. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clamp that ponytail up top just so that I can go ahead and pull my baby hairs out, because you don't want your baby hairs to be caught under the wig, being that this lace is already pre-cut, because I have worn this wig before. I'm just going ahead and defining the hairline, pulling my edges out and getting that extra hair out of the way. As you can see right here, I need to put more glue down, so I'm going to use the end of my ragtail comb, put a little more Gots to Be glue on there, slide it under there, and I'm going to press it in with the end of that comb. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it back down. I'm going to get my blow dryer. Also, I went in with my even spray around my edges because I wanted to give it that extra security. You're going to use that same comb, the end of that comb, go back in and press that lace into your skin, sis, because we're giving straight scalp over here, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my elastic band. Guys, please make sure that you have a band of some sort, preferably an elastic band, so that you can melt this lace while you are styling it. I'm just going to go ahead and put this hair, well, I put it in the ponytail holder. I'm just taking it down so I can go ahead and define my part for my ponytail, being that I am doing a half up, half down style. I'm going in with some mousse. Guys, I absolutely love this mousse. It's very soft. It makes the curls really defined. And I'm just going back in with that hair brush to make sure that I don't have any flyaways in this ponytail. Right here, you see that I pulled out a piece of that hair from the ponytail just so I can do my wraparound base of my ponytail so it can be sleek and clean and very neat. Also, if you need to use some more holding spray or like some even spray to make sure that that piece doesn't have any flyaways, please feel free to do so, but make sure you don't overuse so that it's not extremely hard or sticky as you are wrapping it around the base of your ponytail. So now that the base of my ponytail is all sleek and clean, we're going to go ahead and start styling and putting the finishing touches on the hair. Again, I'm just clamping this piece to get it out of my way so I can start defining the curls of this wig. Guys, I absolutely love this wig. I got it off Amazon. I can greatly, or I would not mind putting the link in the description box because it's very affordable. And just head over to get you some. So guys, as you can see, I'm taking a mousse. I'm going from root to end just to make sure there are no flyaways and no hairs are just like sticking out or getting frizzy while I'm trying to, you know, go about my day and doing what I do. Like I said, you need to go from root to end. And guys, I learned this technique a few months ago using serum on your wigs, especially like curly hair, because it helps the curls last longer. Frizziness is at a minimum and it just leaves your curls really shiny and really soft as well. Just the same as I did with the mousse, I'm going to take this oil, rake it through my hair from root to end. Please make sure that you get your ends because you don't want everything else to be looking clean and sleek, but your ends are looking frizzy and giving dusty. Girl, please, we're not going outside with it. So like I said, I'm just going ahead and I'm going to do this method a few times because you want to make sure that you are working that product in there and actually breaking it down. So this is the look so far. Absolutely love it. I went to a Met Gala, so I decided to do the half up, half down because my dress didn't have straps and I wanted to give a little extra and just give that sophisticated but sexy look. I'm just taking this elastic band off. Guys, when I say it hurts so bad, like you can see the relief in my face when I was taking this elastic band off of my head. It hurts so bad, but it's so worth it. Like, look, I am so tickled because it hurts those ears so bad, but see, it's beauty is pain. Now I'm gonna go in with my Mielle Curl Smoothie Cream. Just apply it to make it smell good because you know when you use all those products, and I didn't necessarily use any heat except on my baby edges, which I did off camera. It can just smell like hair, like you just got out the chair type hair. So you want to make sure you go in with like a curl smoothie just to make sure that your hair is smelling nice when you go outside and you're around people, and it doesn't give off like that weave scent. And it also helps define the curls and make them look very juicy, as you can see here. And now I'm just down to the end, just making sure everything is in place. And guys, listen, I absolutely love this look. So happy that I could achieve it and show you guys how I achieved this look. And here's the finishing product of the wig install. Guys, I absolutely love it. It takes time, but it's super easy, and I just hope that you guys also enjoy this look. I'm actually going to insert the picture of me when I got my makeup done. Although my hair did kind of freeze up, it takes nothing to get you an extra little product and just to go ahead and make it do what it do.